Hello, everybody. To the heart, mind, and the soul, God is love. These are very easy, delicious recipes and videos that y'all watch, and I hope y'all are enjoying these videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and give me a thumbs up too as well. We have well over 1,400 videos. Go over there and get you a couple of them. Something easy and simple. Just for example, you may be doing spaghetti and you're just tired of spaghetti. Well, there's other ways to cook your spaghetti as well as your macaroni and cheese. I have a very good, easy macaroni and cheese, lazy macaroni and cheese. That's the way you would find it. You will put my title in, and behind that, you will put crazy, lazy macaroni and cheese. There's different ways that you can fix your macaroni and cheese just in case you don't have all your ingredients, okay? You can use your choice of cheese. But today we're doing a shotgun shell pasta. And along with that, we're going to have our cabbage with our shotgun shell pasta. And here is my ingredients that I'm going to put my cabbage in. I already put my seasons and my butter in. I'm doing a Cajun cabbage. And I'm going to add sweet peppers and banana peppers to this. All you got to do is just put your, clean your cabbage, wash it, shred it, however you want to do it. You can only also do these in steaks too, okay? We're going to let this cook for maybe a good 10 minutes and then we'll be done. And then we're going to set up. And this is our sweet peppers and banana peppers that we have, okay? So let's go ahead and get this cooking. And we're going to go ahead and add this to our cabbage. It's nothing hard. Even your kids can even join this channel and have a meal ready for you when you come home from work. That'd be nice. Okay, let's clean up our mess that we got going on here. So y'all hang tight. And as a matter of fact, there is a part one. Make sure you go back to the part one to watch it to see how we put our shotgun pasta together. Okay, this is, you can also use this on a grill or a smoker, or do like I did, you can do it in the oven. Something simple and easy. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my lid back on it until my cabbage gets done. Y'all hold tight. Uh-oh, I guess I had y'all going, and it shouldn't have been that long. But however, let's go ahead and put on our shotgun pasta. Let's finish this video. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to have this rolling for that long. But I hope y'all go back and look at the main video. Now, doesn't that look good? It's very simple and easy. Y'all go ahead and make it. Y'all have a good day, and please join me on the next video. Bye-bye.